Does your washing machine smell like mildew? That's because of sludge stuck in the seals and internal parts. There's a simple trick for this. For years, I've kept dishwasher tablets with my laundry supplies. Their cleaning power works perfectly for routine washing machine maintenance. I toss 2 tablets into the drum, set the program to 104 degrees Fahrenheit with the shortest cycle, and start it. The tablets dissolve during the wash and clean the entire inside of the machine, including the seals. No scrubbing needed. After this, the washer smells fresh. The sludge gets rinsed away and there's less limescale buildup. Even plumbers recommend this trick. Hydraulics are alarming. Most people use laundry capsules incorrectly, leading to internal damage in washing machines. Improperly used capsules can clog pipes, filters, and even damage our clothes. All because of one detail that unfortunately most of us don't know. Capsules appeared in stores a few years ago and quickly became a sales hit. A portion of laundry detergent is placed in a water-soluble coating. It is this coating that can cause a huge problem. You can only use them when you set the washing machine program to the appropriate temperature. The capsule doesn't dissolve properly at too low a temperature. Its residue can build up in the water drainage pipes, creating sludge. This is later responsible for the unpleasant smell coming from the washing machine. Plumbers call this the foul side effect of using capsules. See what happens to the capsule when we use it at a temperature of 86 degrees Fahrenheit. For the purposes of this experiment, we put it in a jar. After 15 minutes, the coating still hasn't dissolved in the water. This is evidence that capsules won't work well during short washing cycles either. Their residues will certainly accumulate in the pipes and on clothes. The situation is different at temperatures above 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The capsule dissolves completely. When using capsules, remember to set the washing machine to a higher temperature and longer washing time. Do you often use capsules? Did you know how to use them correctly? Pour into the washing machine, and you'll get rid of the musty smell, dirt, and mold. A clean washing machine guarantees clean and fresh-smelling laundry. But you don't have to use strong bleach to get rid of mold and odors. Start by cleaning the rubber seal, where dirt and mold tend to accumulate. Use a regular kitchen sponge for this. Most of the dirt will come off with the rough side of the sponge. For the washing machine door, simply spray it with vinegar. Wash it and wipe it with a dry cloth. This will remove residue and water scale. The detergent drawer also needs attention, and the compartment where the drawer goes should be cleaned as well. Vinegar eliminates mold spores and removes scale. In just a moment, that spot will be clean too. Now, take some dishwasher tablets and throw them into the washing machine. Use 3 or even 4 tablets. Toss in a towel or a sheet as well. This will help clean the machine more effectively. Pour an additional 2 liters of water into the machine. You'll need a bit more water to properly clean the drum. Select the special cleaning program if your washing machine has one, or just a regular cycle with the highest temperature. After this wash, you'll see the machine will be cleaner than ever. My neighbor used to put them in the washing machine to prevent unpleasant odors when guests were coming over, but you don't need to stuff the machine with them. There's a better way to get rid of bad smells and grime. In the washing machine drawer, residues from laundry detergents accumulate, leading to bacteria and mold that cause bad odors. Even large amounts of fragrant liquids won't mask it, which is why your laundry may smell bad after washing. Here's how to fix it. Remove the drawer from the washing machine and place it in a deep container or sink. Take a dishwasher tablet and a toothbrush. Dissolve the tablet in hot water and start scrubbing. Dishwasher tablets contain ingredients that effectively remove dirt and mineral deposits. If the drawer is very dirty, let it soak longer. However, the tablets work quickly to clean away grime. Once cleaned, put the drawer back in place and you're done. Your washing machine and laundry will smell fresh. Once a month, do this with your washing machine, and you'll forget about expensive repairs. Hardly anyone knows this trick. We use our washers almost every day, so regular maintenance is essential. One part we often overlook is the filter. It catches lint, hair, and small debris, and if it clogs, it can cause serious issues. Place a towel under the filter to protect the floor. Take an empty plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top. Then cut out a side section so it fits snugly under the filter opening. Unscrew the filter slowly. All the dirty water and residue will drain right into the bottle. It's a great way to see how much gunk builds up inside. Take out the filter and scrub it thoroughly with a brush in the sink. This helps remove dirt from every crevice. Don't forget to clean the filter housing too, where residue can also collect. Pour a little water inside to flush it out. Reinsert the clean filter and tighten it well. Done. The filter is clean, your washer runs like new, and you avoid an expensive repair bill. Put the plastic bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised what it can do. A simple disposable plastic bag will make your clothes cleaner after being taken out of the washing machine. How is this possible? Clothes carry dust, dirt, and hair. During washing, these contaminants often settle around the seal of the washing machine. That's why there are various dust and hair residues underneath it. All of this stays in the drum. Then these contaminants mix with the clothes in the next wash. But the solution may turn out to be a simple plastic bag. Put it in the washing machine. It must be a bag without printing. Add the clothes you need to wash. Add laundry detergent or a capsule. Pour fabric softener. Set the program to a temperature not higher than 40 degrees and start the washing. What will happen? There will certainly be more foam than usual. Due to the plastic bag, the detergent will foam more. Additionally, during the washing cycle, the plastic bag will collect all the dirt, fur, and hair that were on the clothes. When the washing machine finishes washing, open it and take out the laundry in the plastic bag. I'll show you that there is fine dust and hair on it. And I only washed one blouse. The blouse is clean, the washing machine too, and the residues were either rinsed away with water or removed from the plastic bag. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself.